we are looking at how to say hi or hello in Hindi. How do you say hi? In India, how do you pronounce this word? Simply Namaste, Namaste. In Hindi, the T sound is a little bit softer than how this is usually pronounced in English. In English, this is normally said as Namaste, Namaste. But in Hindi, the T sound is a little bit softer, and it's not quite exactly a T sound, but simply a Te, Te. Namaste, Namaste. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.